Hi, you're welcome to Life Challenge with Dr. Vivian. And today's challenge is going to be exceptional because we are going to be thinking it out in a big way. You know, it's fun when you have to think of the solution to a question. Okay, so we are starting with our first question. And today is challenge on sequences. All right, we are going to find the next number in each sequence. It's going to be expressively amazing. You love it. Okay, so let's go. So question number 1 says, what is the next number? What is the next number in the sequence? What is the next number in the sequence? Five, 10, 20, 40. So what is the next numbers? All right. So solve this. Tell me the next number in the sequence. What is the next number in the sequence? 5, 10, 20, 40. All right. Tell me the next number. Now to solve this is easy. We are asked what is the next number in the sequence. Okay. So the next number in this sequence is, we have 5, we have 10, we have 20, 40. What is the next number? The solution to this is we are multiplying by 2. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. 20 times 2 is 40. So the next number is 40 times 2 is 80. And the next number is 80 times 2, and that is 160. That is the solution to the first question. So the second question, please, this is a life challenge for everybody. If you are here, kindly help us subscribe and solve these challenges. All right. It's not for me to solve. I solve because nobody has solved. But if I see people solving, I just solve to make corrections. Okay. So feel free to solve. It's for everybody. All right. So the next we have is 100. We have 90. We have 80. We have 70. So what are the next two numbers? All right, please solve, drop your answer and give us thumbs up if you're enjoying the class. Okay, help us share this live section to your Facebook, share to Facebook groups, anywhere you can. Help us share the live session so more people can join us. Okay, so in life challenge with Dr. Vivian, I expect you to solve. Tell me, looking at these numbers, what is the next number in this sequence? Okay, solve and tell me the next number in this sequence. All right. Thank you for giving us a thumbs up. Thank you for liking it. Help us solve this. Drop your answer. Okay. Okay. Stinging Rogan meat. So Stinging, thank you for solving. So Stinging says 60, 50. Okay. More answers. Please drop your answers. I'll take down your name. At the end of the day, I'll solve and then we know who got it correctly. The question is, what is the next number in this sequence? We have 10, 100, 90, 80, 70. What is the next number in the sequence? Give us thumbs up. Drop your answer. Let's go. So let me quickly solve. Now we have 100. Next number is 90. Looking at it, we just subtracted 10 from here. We'll get 90. We subtract 10 from 90, we get 80. We subtract 10 from 80, we get 70. We subtract 10 from 70, we get 60. We subtract 10 from 60, we get 50. And that is the answer. So cheers to singing rogue mates. You're correct. Cheers to you, please. Your answer is correct. So let's solve the next question. So the next question is, all right, let me do a little mix up so that we can see how to go about it. We have 10 plus 10 times 10 all over 10 is equal to what? All right, this is question number 3. 10 plus 10 times 10 is equal to what? Solve, drop your answer. Let's see. Please join this challenge. It's for everybody. The challenge is for everybody. It's not for particular people. It's for you that is here. Okay? So feel free. Solve 10 plus 10 times 10 minus 10 is equal to what? 10 plus 10 times 10 all over 10 is equal to what? Please solve, drop your answer. All right? Let me solve this. Okay? Please kindly help us solve this. This is life challenge with Dr. Vivian. Now, we are going to apply board mass. And some people call it PEMDAS. Okay? Now, here we have 10 plus 10 times 10. We don't add before subtracting. We multiply. We multiply first before adding. So we solve here first. We have 10 plus 10 times 10 is 100 all over 10. 10 plus 100 is 110 all over 10. Okay? And this is equals to 11. So 11 is the correct answer to this question. Okay, right? Let's go to the next question. Please, this question, you're going to, I will just solve to correct. Make sure that everything is correct. Okay? Then the next question says 3 whole number 1 over 6 times 6. 3 whole number 1 over 6 times 6 is equal to what? Solve, drop your answer. 3 whole number 1 over 6 is equal to 6. Solve, drop your answer. So please, the question says 3 whole number 1 over 6 is equal to what? 3 whole number 1 over 6 times 6 is equal to what? Let me solve. So whenever you have 3 whole number 1 over 6, it's called mixed fraction. To solve this, you have to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction before you can solve. How do you convert improper fraction? We do 6 times 3 is 18. Okay? 18 plus 1 is 19. So this is 19 all over the denominator, which is 6 times 6. 6 will cancel itself and we are left with 19. So the answer is 19. All right. Then the next question is 5. Solve 4 all over root 2 multiplied by root 2 is equal to what? 4 all over square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 2 is equal to what? Please solve, drop your answer. All right, solve, drop your answer. Solve this, drop your answer, please. Solve this, drop your answers. Thank you for liking the live section. I appreciate. Okay, so let me quickly solve this. We have 4 all over 2 times 2. Okay, That is 4 all over. 2 times 2 is root 2. Root 2 times root 2 is root 2 all squared. So these two will cancel the square, and we have 4 all over 2. So our answer is 2. All right, that is the solution to the question. Now we solve the next question. The next question says square root of the square root of 100 plus the square root of 36 all over square root of 4 is equal to what? So solve this. This is question number 6. Please, you are solving question number 6. Solve question number 6. Drop your answers. Can you hear me now? Thank you, Osas. Thank you for noticing that. Can you hear me now? Maybe that is why people aren't even joining. Please, Osas, can you hear me now? Please let me know if you can hear me now, Osas. Thank you so much. Thank you. You saved me a whole lot of, because people have been coming in and leaving without knowing why. Thank you so much. Okay. So we have 100x equals to 1000. X is equal to what? Please solve. Let's see your answer. Solve, drop your answer. Please, life challenge is for everybody. It's for everybody. And this life challenge is going to be started by 11 and it will end by 12:30. Okay. So please say join us. Our size is said 3 GHXST 10. Please, more answers. Newton, okay, Newton, sorry, okay, 2, fine. Please, more answers. More answers, please, more answers. Please help us share the live section and help us like the live section. Give us a thumbs up. We appreciate that too. Okay, so let me solve this. We have 100 raised to power 10. Okay. Now we know that 100 is equal to 10 raised to power 2. We know that 100 is 10 raised to power 2 because we are going to make them be of the same power. So 100 is 10 raised to power 2 raised to power x. Then 1000 is 10 raised to power 3. Power 3. This is my life. Let me solve now. Please, sorry for that. Somebody was calling. I'm really sorry for that. Okay, so we are solving 100 raised power x equal to 10 raised 10. So like I said, we are going to try to find a way to make them to have the same base, and we know that 100 is 10 square, so we put our x, and 1000 is 10 raised power 3. This is how you do. Just count from here. 1, 2, 3. That is 10 raised power 3. And if you do that, 1, 2, and 10 raised power 2. So that is how you do that. Now, this is multiple power. You multiply the powers. We have 10. 2 times x is 2x is equal to 10 raised power 3. Now, the base are the same. We equate their powers. We have 2x is equal to 3. Okay? To get x, we divide both sides by 2. So our x is equal to 3 over 2. So this is the correct answer to the question. Okay, you've seen how you do it. So if you solve this and you made a little mistake, this is the solution. Okay, that is how easy it is. So SAS, please take notes. GHX multiplied by XT, please take notes. That is the best way to solve it. So the correct answer is x equals to 3 over 2. All right, so let me solve another question. We are given 5x plus 10 equal to 40. X is equal to what? All right, so this is the next question. No, you don't have to do that. I just want you to learn how to do it better. All right, so this is question number 9. Please solve this. Question number 9. 5x plus 10 equals to 40. X is equal to what? Please solve, drop your answer. Let's go. Find x in the given equation. Let's see. Okay. So GH times ST says 35. Please solve, drop your answer. Osaz says 6. Osaz says 6. Okay. GS, you're changing to 25. All right. So please, more answers. Let's go. Please help us share the live section. Okay. Share to Facebook groups. All right. Share to Facebook groups. So let me solve. We have 5x plus 10 equal to 40. Okay. Now, the aim of this, what we want to do here is make x the subject formula. All right. So we are going to write 5x is equal to, we have 40 here. When this plus 10 crosses the equality sign, it becomes negative 10. All right. So we have 5x is equal to 40 minus 10 is 30. Divide by 5. Why are we dividing by 5? Because we want x to be on its own. So 5 will cancel 5. We have x is equals to 30 divided by 5 is 6. And therefore, our answer is x equal to 6. All right, Osaz, you solved correctly. Cheers to Osaz. So let's solve. Let's go. GH times ST. You've seen the best way to solve it. That is the best way to solve it. Okay. So please, we're on question number 10. And the question number 10 says, what is the next number in the sequence? So this is a sequence. You're going to study the sequence and see how it is going, and you're going to tell me the next number. All right. So we have 2, we have 4, we have 8, we have 16. So tell me the next number in this sequence. Drop the next number. Let's see the next two numbers in the sequence. We have 2, 4, 8, 16. Tell me the next number in the sequence. Please help us share this live class to, okay? So G H times X S T says 32. Okay, Osaz says 32, 64. Please, more answers. We have more people, so more answers, please. Solve, give us more answers. What is the next number in the sequence? It's easy. You can look at it and see the answer. It's very easy. More answers, please. We are waiting for you. We have 14 persons here. So please help us solve and drop your answer. All right. Participate in the life challenge. It's for everybody. So please, at least if you're enjoying the live class, give us a thumbs up, give us a like the live section. You can share it too. All right. So let me solve. This is easy. Like I said, we don't need to really waste our space and time. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. And 32 times 2 is 64. So GH times XT, you are correct. So cheers to you. Osaz, cheers to you. Okay, one more difficult ones. All right, fine. Let's do more difficult ones. And still it's going to be on a sequence. I have so many difficult sequence questions here, just that I want people to start participating, then I can confidently be putting them out. All right. So let's do something a little more difficult, not too difficult. All right. So what is the next number in the sequence? So it was initially supposed to be all sequence challenge, but I needed to fix some things to get at what you want. And when I know what you want, I can now continue solving. All right. So this one is going to be a bit difficult, but not too difficult that you cannot solve it. So first number, we have 6. On the second number, we have 11. On the third number, we have 21. On the fourth number, we have 36. And then what is the next numbers? All right. So tell me the next numbers. Look at this, study it critically, and tell me what number do you think is the next number. You know, this one, you asked me for something more difficult. This is actually difficult. It's actually difficult. All right. Wow, you saw 56. Okay. Wow, 56. Wow, that is a great trial. 56. So please, more answers. Let's see. More answers. Let's see. Wow. Okay. It's not even as difficult as I thought. More answers, please. So I give you 20 seconds, 16 seconds remaining. Once 20 seconds, so once it's 27 minutes, we'll solve. 6 seconds to go. More answers. All right. Okay, you said it's one again. Great. All right, so let me quickly solve it. So this one, like I said, is easy. It's not easy like that. You just subtract. You do 11 minus 6. 11 minus 6 will give us 5. 21 minus 11 will give us 10. 36 minus 21 will give us 15. Okay, if you look at it now, the differences are increasing by 5. Okay, this is 10. The differences are increasing by 5. So this is 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 10 is 21. 21 plus 15 is 36. Then if it is increasing by 5, we should have 20 next. And after 20, we should have 25. Okay, so we have 36 plus 25 will give us 56. 56 plus 25 will give us 81. So the answer is 5681. Cheers to GH multiplied by ST. Thank you for solving this correctly. So let's go. What is the mode of the data set? The mode of the data set. All right. 1, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2. What is the mode of the data set? This is the mode of this data set. What is the mode? What is the mode of the data set? 1, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2. Okay. Osas says 3. Osas 3. Please, more answers. More answers. More answers. What is the mode of the data set? GH times ST. This one you're solving and you're crying. What is going on? Okay, you said 1. Okay, let's go. More answers, please. So let me solve it, okay? Let me solve it. Now, the mode simply means most frequent. Okay, don't worry, you learn. Mode means most frequent. Most frequent. So most frequent, the one that is most that occurred the highest. We have 1, 3, 3, 1, 3. So 3 occurred more. We have 3 into 3 places. So that this one is 2, this one 1, and 3 is into 3. So the answer is 3. So the mode is 3. It's just that easy. So cheers to Newton. Newton's cheers to you. And cheers to GHST. Thank you for solving and participating. I appreciate you a lot. Okay. So I think this should be question number what? Let's check. This is 11 here, and this is 12. So question number 13. Please, this challenge is for everybody. Feel free to participate. All right. It's for everybody. It's not for a particular set of people. It's for all of us here. So solve this. We have square root of m plus 8 equal to 4. M is equal to what? Please solve this. We have square root of m plus 8 equals to 4. Find m. Please tell us what m is. Tell us what m is. M is equal to minus 4. Okay. GH ST minus 4, and OSAS 8. Please, more answers. More answers, please. So let me solve it. Now we have square root of m plus 8 equals to 4. I'm going to write it up here, then I'll solve it. Square root of m plus 8 equal to 4. All right. So we are asked to solve for m. We are told that m is equal to what? Now, the first thing you do is try to take away this square root. To take away this square root, you square both sides, because whatever you do on the left side, you do on the right side. You raise them to the power of 2. This square root will be cleared by this power of 2 here. We have m plus 8 is equal to 4 square is 16. That is 4 times 4 is 16. Okay. So m is equal to 16. When this plus 8 crosses the equality sign, it becomes minus 8. So our m is equal to 8. So that is the answer to the question. And the person that answered it correctly is Osas. Osas, cheers to you. All right. So we have question number 14. Question number 14 says 3 whole number 2 over 5 multiplied by 10 is equal to what? 3 whole number 2 over 5 multiplied by 10 is equal to what? All right, so this, drop your answer. Please drop your answer. If you can drop as many answers as possible. Let me see. Drop answers, like keep dropping answers. I don't know why. I don't know if I cannot comment. I can't see any option to comment. The same thing on let me see, add. Can I add? Start a question and answer. Set a pool. Okay. Okay, Osas, he says 34. Then Salmo Mohammed 34. So please, I want to know what time will you prefer we take this live classes, because I want to know so that we know we come live. I've tried coming live in the morning section. I've tried even evening section. Let's say that I've not really grown that much, but at least tell me, when would you prefer, you in particular, as you join, help me tell me when you prefer we'll do this live class so that it will help us out. All right, join us, make your votes, and let's go. So we are solving 3 whole number 2 over 5 multiplied by 10. Okay, so let me solve it. We have 2 answers already, so let me solve. 3 whole number 2 over 5 multiplied by 10. Now, whenever I have this kind of question, you're multiplying any mixed number, you have to first of all convert it into improper fraction. Now, in my shorts, you see a video of how to convert from mixed fraction to improper fraction. This is a mixed fraction here. We are going to convert it to improper fraction. How do you do that? You do 3 times 5 times 3 will give us 15. 15 plus 2 will give us 17 all over the denominator of the fraction here, 5. All right, times 10. 5 cancel 5 will give us 1. 5 divided by 10 divided by 5 will give us 2. And we are left with 17 times 2, and that is 34. So our answer is 34. First of all, we converted to improper fraction. After converting to improper fraction, we have 17 over 5. I said to convert to improper fraction, if you don't know how to do it, go to my short, you find it there, multiply by 10, which was given. 5 cancelled, 5 divided by 5 will give us 1. 10 divided by 5 will give us 2. We now have 17 times 2, and that is 34. So the answer is 34. So Osaz, cheers to you, you got it correctly. Samo, cheers to you, you got it correctly. Please kindly participate in the pool. Let me know when you prefer to come live. So work with your time. Then the next question we have is 2 raised to the power x plus 2 raised to the power x is equal to 32. Okay, x is equal to what? All right, so I'm taking this away. 2 raised to the power 2. Okay, so mostly sports, thank you for joining. Mostly sports says 4, or SARS 4. More answers, please. More answers. More answers. Okay. GH times ST says 16. More answers, please. So let me solve. Solution. 2x, 2 raised to the power x plus 2 raised to the power x is 2 of 2 raised to the power x, okay? That is 2 of 2 raised to the power x is equal to 32. And we want to make x the subject formula. So divide here by 2, divide here by 2. 2 will cancel here. We'll have 2 raised to the power 2. 32 divided by 2 will give us 16. All right, we have 2x, sorry, 2x is equal to, we now try to put this 16 in a way that it will have base of 2. So we are looking for 2 raised to the power what will give us 16. So it's 2 raised to the power 4, because 2 times 2 times 2 into 4 will give us 16. Okay, so the base are the same. We equate their powers. X is equal to 4, and that is the answer. All right, so the first person to get it correctly is mostly sports. So mostly, cheers to you. And then to Osas, cheers to you. So GH times XT, you see how it is done. So please take note so that you learn how to do it better. All right, so we are given find M given 4M minus 3 is equal to 13. Find M given 4M minus 3 equal to 13. M is equal to what? M is 4. Sports, let me write sports, says 4. Mostly sports says 4. M is 4. More answers, please. Osas 4. More answers, more answers. So let's solve. We have 4m is equal to, write 13 first. When this -3 crosses the equality sign, this is the equality sign. Once it crosses, it becomes +3. Okay. So 4m is equals to 13 plus 3 is 16. Divide by 4, divide by 4. 4 will cancel, half m is equals to 16 divided by 4 is 4. So the answer is m equal to 4. Thank you for all those who are liking this live section. God bless you. So please help us share this live section so much people can join us and learn. All right. So this is 14, 15, 16. So this is question number 17. So question number 17 says minus 6 square plus 36 is equal to what? Minus 6 square plus 36 is equal to what? Let us know in the comment section. So mostly says, okay, the person I solved now, please, mostly got it first and then Osaz, the previous question. All right, so let's work on this. 0. So Osaz says 72, and Tayab, thank you for joining us. Thank you for solving. This is my first time of seeing you, said 0. So please, more answers, more answers, more answers. We have 7 persons and we have gotten 3 answers. Please, we need more 4 answers. Please solve it. It's for you, not for special people. It's for you. All of you are special together. I appreciate you guys together. So solve it. Let's see. Solve. I'm waiting for your answer. Okay, you. I'm waiting for your answer. Should I go ahead or I should wait more? Let me wait for next 5 seconds, 6 seconds, 7 seconds. GH stands ST. You say you don't know? Jeez. Okay. So please, this question is for everybody. I mean everybody. Let's solve. I'll be using the front camera, but if I use the front camera, you'll be seeing the inverse of what I'm writing, so you understand it. That's why I always use back camera. Okay. So let me solve this. Now we have minus 6 squared plus 36. Now I want you to just solve this mini question. Okay. So let me just do it. All right. Now, if you have 2 minus 6 square, okay, and we have 2 minus 6 square, will you solve it as 2 plus 36, or will you solve it as 2 minus 36? So please, if you're saying you're going to solve it as A, drop A in the comment section. If you're going to solve it as the second option, drop B in the comment section. So tell me, if you are to solve 2 minus 6 square, will you solve it as 2 plus 36, or will you solve it as 2 minus 36? The first one is A, the second one is B. The first one is A, the second one is B. So tell me, if you are to solve it, will you solve it as A? Will you solve it as A, or you solve it as B? Let me know, because this will help us, guide us on solving the next one. Okay, Osaz, you say you solve it as A. All right. B, okay. Osaz, you're telling me that if you are asked to solve 2 minus 6 square, you're going to write 2 plus 36. All right, so anyway, it's not supposed to be A, it's B. Now, if you have 2 minus 6 square, this is equals to 2 minus 6 square. That is 36. Please, this is the best way to solve it. I have to put it here so you see it clearly. Now, let me go back to the question we are solving. We are solving 6 square plus 36. You know, I have to bring this down so that, because people make mistake of adding this squaring to this one, it doesn't affect it. This is minus 6 square is 36. So if you don't know how to figure it out, just assume that there is 0 here. If there is 0 here, you cannot come and square here. It will be like this plus 36. So the answer is 0. So please, the answer is 0. That is how to solve it. So cheers to mostly sports. So mostly sports, cheers to you. And Tayab, and Tayab Ajamal, cheers to you. You did well. Okay. So let's go to question number 18. Please help us like this live section, give us a thumbs up. All right, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not done that, and feel free to share this live section too. Share it to as many people as possible. Okay, so if a is equal to 4, then find y equals to 4 square plus y equals to a square plus 4. All right, if a is equal to 4, find y equals to a square plus 4. So the square doesn't affect the sign. No, it doesn't affect the sign. Now the square, let me go back there. Now the square will not affect the sign. The square can only affect the sign if you're asked to find -6 and is in brackets, squaring everywhere. If you have something like this, that is when the square can affect the sign. If you're just having -6 square, it cannot affect the sign. Okay, so that is the difference. Like some people can be tricky. Like sometimes I ask tricky question, I'll just tell you -6, I'll still square it and put brackets to add a little confusion. Still the same thing, this square cannot affect this. It can only affect when you put everything in square and put, if this square was outside, then now it will affect. So that is the difference. Please know that. Okay, so to the question we are serving, okay, mostly you say 20, mostly 20, and Tayab says 20. All right, so please, more answers. We have 2 answers remaining, 7. Please, more answers. So let me quickly solve this. We said if a is 4 and we are asked to find y equals to a square plus 4. All right, and our a is 4. This simply means wherever you see a, you replace it with 4. All right, so our y is equals to 4 square plus 4. And this is 4 square is 4 times 4. And 4 times 4 is 16 plus 4. So our y is equals to 16 plus 4 is 20. So our y is 20. Now to mostly chess, you solved it correctly. And Tayab, chess, you solved it correctly. Okay, that is it. Now we solve the next question. And the next question says we are given a plus a to be equals to 16, and we are told that a plus b is equal to 10. A minus b all squared is equal to what? All right, so find this, solve this. Yes, I see my mistakes. Okay, Osas, nice. So solve this. Let's see your answer. We have a plus a to the 16, a plus b 10, then a minus b all squared is equal to what? So solve. Let's see the answer. Please solve, drop your answers, drop your answers, drop your answers. Let's go. So I'll give you a minute. A minute is too much. Oh. Okay, let's give you 20 seconds. That is why when we give question, we say, can you solve this in 20 seconds? Because we want to be very fast. When we say, can you solve this in 20 seconds? We expect it to be very fast. So please, this is a fast challenge. We also work with time. We fast more than 30 seconds. Okay, let me solve it. Okay, we have a plus a is 16. If a plus a is 16, we know that a plus a is 2a. 2a is equals to 16. So we divide both sides by 2 to get our a. Okay, so our A is equals to 16 divided by 2 is 8. So our A is 8. All right, and we are told that A plus B is 10. Our A is 8. We are 8 plus B is 10. All right, now we have B is equal to 10. When this plus 8 crosses the equality sign, it becomes minus 8. Okay, so our B is equal to 2 because 10 minus 8 is 2. So our A, let me write it here. Our A is 8 and our B is 2. So the question we are asked is, we are asked to solve A plus B. So we are asked to find A minus B all squared. And we know our A is 8 and our B is 2. So that is 8 minus 2 all squared. And that is 6 square. And this is 36. So the answer is 36. That is how easy it is. All right. So let me solve another simple one. We have x plus y equals to 8 and x minus y is equals to 15. All right. So we are asked x plus y all squared is equal to what? X plus y is equal to 8. X minus y is equal to 15. X plus y square is equal to what? All right. So this is the question we are solving now. Solve. This should be very fast. You should solve this one fast. Very fast. Hello guys, are you there? Please, if you're there, tell me yes, I'm here. Let me know that you're still here. Please, let me know. Are you here? Osaz, are you here? Mostly Sports, are you here? Tayab, are you here? GH stands ST, are you here? So others that are here that have not, all right, nice to know that you're here. GH stands ST. Please, if you're here, let me know. All right, Tayab, thank you for telling me. So solve, let's see. Okay, thank you, Tayab. All right, so solve, let's see. So this question is very easy. It's very easy. Please tell me. Osaz, are you here? Where are you? Please, if you're here, just tell me I'm here so that I will know your name so I can give you a shout out. All right. So tell me that you are here. Let me know that you are here. Let me know those who are actually here because I don't know who is here. I don't know. Let me check if I can see those who are here. No, I can't see names of those who are here. So, but if you tell me you're here, I will know your name. I will know that you're here. Please, thank you for being here. And kindly help me like this live section, give us a thumbs up, like the live section, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post things on daily basis, we post shorts, we post long videos. Take your time, go through them. On our long videos, we do mostly tutorials. On live section, we do mostly challenges, and on shorts, we solve simple math question, math tricks. We give you ideas of how to solve things and all that. Like if you go there, you'll see how to convert from mixed fraction to improper fraction. If you go there, you see different math tricks for kids, for adults and all that. So please feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on the notification button to get notified when we come live, when we post new things. At your free time, come and watch one or two things. Okay, see, this question is very easy. Like I said, you're giving s plus y to be 8 and giving s minus y to be 15, and you're asked to solve x plus y square. Please don't go and start looking for x. Don't look for y. It's wasting time. We already know that x plus y here is 8 and we are asked x plus y square. So if our x plus y is 8 from the first equation, this is first equation, this is second equation, and we know that x plus y is 8 and we're asked to, we should find x plus y square. All we need to do is just square 8 square, and that is 64. You see, that is the answer. It's very easy. Don't stress yourself going to find x, don't to find y. Don't do that. We already have x plus y here. If they say x plus y square, it just means 8 square, and that is the answer. Very simple, straight to point. Okay, so that is part of the math trick I talk about. You don't need to go through the long process of finding x, finding that and all that. No, not necessary. Just solve it directly. Okay, so let's solve the next question. I don't even know. I've lost number of count. Let's see. This is a question 17. Okay, 18, 19, 20, and this is question number 21. 21. All right. So question number 21. Let's see what number is next. What number is next in the sequence? What number is next in the sequence? All right. What number is next in the sequence? We have 1, we have 4, we have 9, we have 16. And tell me what number is next in the sequence. 1, 4, 9, 16. What number is next in this sequence? Now to solve this is easy. Let me just solve it. These are all perfect squares. And we take square root of these numbers, you get a whole number. Square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 16 is 4. So the next thing is, what number is square root of 5? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is next one. That is 25. Square root of 25 is 5. And 36, square root of 36 is 6. So the next number is 25, 6. These are all perfect squares. That is numbers that you take square root and get whole number of. All right. So that is how easy it is. So let me solve the next question. Please participate. These questions are much easy. All right. They are lot easy. Okay. So let's solve this. We have square root of 100, okay, plus square root of 36 all over 1/2 is equal to what? All right, solve this. This question is a lot easy. Square root of 100 plus square root of 36, and this is question number 22. So please solve question 22. Drop your answer. This is Math Challenge with Dr. Vivian. It's for everybody. If you're seeing it for the first time, please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Give us a thumbs up if you're enjoying this live challenge. Share it to as many people as possible. And please don't forget to turn on your notification button. It will help you know when we are live, and when we post new things. And please share it as many people as possible. Okay? We post things daily. You will see shorts, we post long videos, we post shorts on daily basis where we share math tricks, simple solution to questions and all that. Feel free to take your time and go through them. You learn 1 or 2 things. All right. So you can learn for your kids, you can learn for yourself. So square root of 100 plus square root of 36 all over 1/2 is equal to what? All right, so let me solve. I've been solving since because nobody is solving anymore. It's like this class is supposed to be 1 hour 30 minutes, but people aren't participating. I don't know why. Is it the question so difficult? Please, if the questions are so difficult, you can let me know so I can reduce the. I was solving that easier question when a friend asked that I should make the question more difficult. I don't know if it's because the question is difficult, or if the question is so difficult, you can let me know. Let me reduce it. Let me bring down smaller questions. Okay. So, but these questions are not too difficult. All right. We have big square root or small square root of 100 plus small square root of 36. We just put the big square root, solve the ones inside first. Square root of 100 is 10 plus square root of 36 is 6. You solve the ones inside first and write 1/2. Okay. Now we now solve this. This is equal to 10 plus 6 is square root of 16 all over 1/2. So square root of 16 is 4 all over 1 over 2. All right. 4 divided by half is just like picking 4 oranges, cut it into half. If you cut 4 oranges into half, when you count them, you have 8 half. All right. So 4 divided by half is equal to 8. In mathematics, you have 4 divided by half. That is how you write it. You can just write 4, you put multiplication and flip this. This will go up and this will come down. So have 2 over 1, that is 2. 4 times 2 will still give us 8. Anyway, choose to do it. The answer is 8. Okay? So that is why it should be live and be listening. It will teach you trick and how to solve it with ease. You can see practical life experiences where you can do that quickly without stress. Okay? So solve this. 60 minus 60 divided by 6 is equal to what? Please, everybody should solve this. This one is easy. Please solve question number 26. It's very easy. 60 divided by 60, 60 minus 60 divided by 6 is equals to what? Please solve. Let's see. This is quite easy. So when I solve this, I think I'll just bring the class to an end. We'll continue tomorrow. Okay? Now, when solving this, we apply board mass. Board mass. Okay? And some people call it in some places, because in here, in some parts, we call it board mass. Some we call it PEMDAS. Okay? Now we solve, we have brackets, order, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. All right, so here we have division, we divide first. So 60 minus 60 divided by 6 will give us 10. So our answer is 60 minus 10, and that is 50. So the solution to this question is 50. All right, that is how easy it is. Okay, so this brings the class to an end. We have to end now. It was supposed to be longer than this, but people are not participating. I don't know whether is it they're not interested or that is not what they are looking for. So please, I will drop a poll in on my YouTube channel. So when you tell me what do you want to learn, because I don't know if maybe you're not interested in learning, you're not interested in challenges, you want to learn, you let me know so that I'll teach. Because I've tried teaching, but people aren't participating. I said, let me try challenge. Maybe people want to just find something to keep them busy, or maybe the time is not perfect. I've asked questions about time. I'll still put it again in our this thing. I'll still put the time again.